In this video, I'm going to talk about Newton's first law of motion. There are three laws of motion, but we are only going to talk about the first one. Newton's first law of motion is very important to engineering because it explains a lot about forces and how they counteract with each other, and how these forces are vector quantities. Newton's first law of motion states that an object will remain at rest or at constant velocity in a closed system unless acted upon by an unbalanced resultant force. This can also be called the law of inertia. There are two examples for this law of motion. The first one is when the object is at rest. For example, a man is standing still on the street. He is at rest because the forces acted upon him are all balanced. This man will remain at rest until there is an unbalanced force that acts upon him. Say another man pushes him, which will create an external imbalanced force on him, pushing him forward. The second example is when the object is moving at constant velocity. Let's say there is an asteroid in space that is moving at constant velocity. It will continue to move at the same velocity until an unbalanced force acts upon it. Say when another asteroid hits it, it will start to move at a different velocity, changing its speed and direction. Newton's first law of motion explains how forces can cancel each other out, which is the sole reason to why we are able to stand still or to move at a constant velocity. These are the sources I used to gather information to make this video. And these are the Creative Commons license. Thank you very much for watching.